Whether you're new to buying bulk bags or have been working with them for quite a while, it is important to understand the various specifications that go into making an FIBC and how they can affect the performance of your bags. Bulk bags can be very simple or very complex depending on the product and application. The first step to building the right bulk bag is knowing the product that you are putting in the bag. The type of product can determine the way that the bag is built, if some form of sip-proofing or moisture protection is required, filling and discharging methods, and what size bag you need, amongst other things. To calculate the dimensions of a bag, we need to know the product that will be put in the bag, the bulk density of that product, and what the desired filled weight of the bulk bag is. With that information, we can determine how much volume is needed to meet the target weight and figure out the dimensions from there. To do this, we will likely use our capacity calculator, which takes into account the average amount an FIBC will stretch when filled completely. We input the bulk density of the product and the desired weight. This will give us a target cubic volume. For example, if you want a filled bag weight of 4,000 pounds and your product is 100 pounds per cubic foot, the volume of the FIBC you would want is at least 40 cubic feet. There are many combinations of size you can go with to get this volume. It's important to consider the size of the pallet if you are using one, storage space limitations, an example would be if you have a racking system which only allows for a certain bag height, and shipping space parameters. Another important specification is the way the bag is filled and discharged. The fill and discharge mechanism can be tailored to meet your requirements. The top of the bag can be built in several ways, including a spout top, duffel top, open top, or flap top. Spout tops and duffel tops are the most common, as they allow for a complete closure of the bag after filling. They also protect the product the best. The discharge is also important, as it allows the product to be emptied from the bag. Some variations are a spout bottom or a full dump bottom. Bulk bags can also have a flat bottom where there is no discharge option. This is common when the end user is cutting the bottom of the bag open. We also offer a remote discharge option, which provides additional safety benefits. The product can also determine if sift proofing is required. If you are packaging a fine powder, like baby powder or dry clay, that may leak from the seams, you would want a bag with sift proofing. If the product is coarser and will not leak, you may not require much sift proofing. There are different levels of sift proofing depending on how fine the material is and how much leaking may occur. These include single sift proof, double sift proof, and sift proofing with an added layer of felt. If you are concerned that leaking may still occur, even with sift proofing, or have a product that is very moisture sensitive, you may want to consider a bag with a liner. There are various types of liners, but they all help protect against outside elements, such as moisture, static buildup, and more. Other specification options include food-grade bags and UN-rated bags. Food-grade bags are manufactured in a GFSI certified clean room facility and must pass through rigorous quality checks to ensure no contamination. UN-rated bags under strenuous testing to ensure that they are safe for the use of hazardous materials. They also have special labeling requirements which must be met to avoid incurring potential fines during transport. Global-Pak has the facilities in-house to test and certify your UN bags so that you know they are safe for use and transport. If you have questions on specifications or needs of your FIBCs, please contact your Global-Pak representative or call us direct and toll-free at 888-225-9828.